I came out to the back of my neighborhood yesterday and scoped this pond out. And there was some bass in here, so I'm out here at 6:50, 56 minutes late because I overslept. Trying to see if anything is biting this morning. Got a wacky on there. If we do get a bite, that'll be cool. Just throwing a wacky up under these weeds over here. Maybe I'll go back to my usual spot in front of my neighborhood where I'm always catching fish. But I know I seen fish in here yesterday, so we are here. It's been raining, so maybe they're in here. This thing's got to be really shallow too. So, pretty unlucky here. I think I'm gonna go back to the little lake that I fish at in the front of my neighborhood, because I have more trust in that than to sit out here X amount of time, an hour, not catch anything. So that's what we gotta do. Fish that lake. We're gonna go fish that lake. We're gonna go fish that lake. Brake pads. It's been about, how many miles has it been since I put them brakes on there? 30,000 miles. Some pads. Fence over there, mother. How's that? Yeah, I have confidence in catching a fish here today. We're gonna see though. $7.14. So we made it. I know most of the time it seems like I'm actually catching fish. But in reality, this is what I'm doing. seems so boring, so peaceful at the same time. I think we're on right now. Oh yeah, we are. Yep. Oh, he spit it out. No shot. Mother, father. He spit it out, bro. Whack. We had one. We had one. Oh, man. It's in his mouth. He's swimming with it. It's in his mouth. I'm gonna wait. He has it in his mouth. See the line? What do I do? Is he gonna spit it out? Still got it.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
No shot, brother. He still got it though. Oh, he still got it. Oh my God, the fish still has it, bro. How am I supposed to get out of this situation right now? I don't even know what to do. Yo, I just backlashed crazy. Oh, he's still on. He's still on. Yeah, he's on. Oh my God, I can't even. Well, as long as he's still on, right? He spit it out. No, he didn't. He's still on. He's still on. He's still on. I think I'm gonna just pull him in. Oh my God, I'm just pulling in a fish right now. This is crazy, bro. Oh, I'm literally just pulling in a fish right now. You gotta do what you gotta do, right? It's a small bass. I see it. Oh, I got it. Oh, where is he? That's not a small bass. That's not a small bass, bro. Oh, I gotta fix this backlash. Yo, I'm cooked. That's what's really crazy. I really caught this fish like this. I'm reeling it in. I guess that's the life of a fisherman for real. Oh my goodness, bro. Wow. Wow. Oh. We got us one. Oh, I don't have my pliers. Oh. Dang, I'm gonna do it this morning for real. Try this, and I'm gonna try my pliers. Oh my God. I'm stuffing all in my line, bro. Boy, just lip it, brother. Where's this fish at? Oh, that scared me. Not gonna lie. It's in your throat, fam. It's in your throat, fam. How am I gonna get this out your throat? How am I gonna get this out your throat, fam? Wait. Somebody said use a toothbrush. Yeah, I can't get this out of his throat, bro. How do I get this out of your throat, bro? toothbrush gonna work? No. Toothbrush is not gonna work. He swallowed the hook, bro. Oh, we good. There he is. We caught him. Not so bad. He's gonna take a picture. Get him back in the water. Can't even see my screen. See you later, bro. Look. Now I gotta work out this backlash, bro. Oh. Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back. Is he coming back? Come back, bro. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Oh my God, there's so much backlash everywhere. I'm walking in it. I can't get out of it. He's back. He's back. He's back. He's back. He's back. He's back. Okay. Okay. You're back. You're back. Other way. Other way. Go the other way. Oh my goodness, bro. What have I done here? I'm so there's so much back. We back. I just reeled it all out. And I'm gonna reel it all back in. I mean, we got one for the day though. That's lit. It was a little hectic. We got it done, but I think my worm fell off. At the time that this happened, that was the least of my worries. Because I caught a fish and I forgot to close the little bail thing. It's not a bail. On a bait caster, I actually don't know what it's called. But we got us one. And we back. Let's see if I could. Nah, that worm. Should I try to retrieve this worm? Yeah, I'm gonna try to retrieve it. I got it. Caught a fish. Boy. Whoa. Ah. Caught a fish and had to reel him in with my hands. That's a first. And now we back. See if we can catch another one. He had swallowed the hook. I managed to get it out. I pushed the barbs. I pushed the barbs down. So it's easy to get the hooks out the fish's mouth. But we got us one for the day. Turn up. Let's see if we can catch another one in 10 minutes. Fishing is fun for real. Especially with stuff like that, you don't even know what's going to happen that day. You just come out thinking that all the best is going to happen that day. And maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I'm like, I came out here 30 minutes late, probably 40 minutes because I woke up at 6:36 or something like that. And I went to that lake in the back, didn't catch nothing, came up here, caught something. But then what happened? I should have put a green worm on here. So there's fish in this area. Let's bring that back. You picked it up right from the bottom. Also, you know what I noticed? There's a lot of videos on YouTube where they teaching you technique and different ways to catch fish and lure fishing. I think one thing I might honestly say, one thing I can honestly say is you just got to get out there and try it yourself. You know what I mean? Because everybody's going to have a different way, their different way of catching fish. There's no set way on how to catch fish. You just got to go out there and fish. You know, I mean, yeah, I get it that there's different lures, different ways to make a lure react. But you ain't gonna catch no fish if you ain't out there fishing. Even on days that you don't catch fish, it's still a good fishing day because now you know whatever you did that day, don't do it again. You know, it's always a learning experience, similar to what just happened to me. So excited about catching a fish and not really paying attention to the smaller things that help catch fish. I mean, granted, we still got the fish, but the process could have been a bit easier. We just out here trying to catch one more though. One more fish. And if not, go upstairs, have a celebratory breakfast. Pancakes with chocolate chips in them.